How to make a puff stitch in the crochet. In the double crochet, I will show you. In the beginning, we have 2 chains for double crochet, always 1 2, and then yarn over and go 1 time, then again yarn over, again 2 times, then again yarn on the hook, and 3 times. Now you can see how many yarns: 2, 4, 6, 7 yarns. 6 yarns, and this one, the first one. 6 yarns on the hook. We will yarn on the hook, pull through all the 6, and this one looks like that. And now we pull through 2 again, and this is the puff stitch. And if you want to make a shawl, you can do the edging, and you can make one more puff stitch in this one. Yarn over in the same hole, 2 chains, again yarn over, make bit longer, 2 chains, and again yarn over and 2 chains. We have 6 more chains in the same hole. Then yarn over and pull through 6, and this one look like that. And then we yarn over and pull through 2, and this is the puff stitch, and this one looks beautiful. And when you are knitting a shawl, you can make the edging like this. And I show you one more time in the next hole. Maybe we skip one chain here, and we skip one, so have enough room. Yarn over in the next chain, skip this one, and in the next chain yarn over, 2 yarns, again yarn over, 2 yarns, again yarn over, and again this one looks like that. Then bring the yarn through the 6 chains, and then we again yarn over, and you can see this is a very nice puff stitch. And we can make another yarn over puff stitch in the same hole, 2 yarns, again yarn over, 4 yarns, and we will do again yarn over, and this one yarn over and pull through 6, and you can see this is a very beautiful pattern. Looks like that. See this one, this is a beautiful puff stitch. So it's very easy for the beginners. I explain very slowly, and you can try yourself. Thanks for watching.